In this video, I'll show you how to record your computer screen using OBS Studio. I'm Lucas from JMV Technology Support, and I'll demonstrate the easiest way to do this type of recording. First, download OBS Studio. I'll leave a link below for Windows. For other operating systems, you'll find options on their website. After downloading, open OBS and configure the necessary settings for recording. We have a video on our channel about OBS Studio settings. I'll leave a card above linking directly to it. I strongly recommend watching that video after you finish this one. Initially, your OBS will have no scenes, so the first step is to create one. I've already created a scene here, but for you, it'll be blank. Click this plus symbol and name the scene. Great, it's been created. Now add your screen by clicking the plus again and choose Monitor Capture. You can rename it, but I suggest keeping the default. If you prefer naming, use something relevant to what you're adding. Your screen will darken with a red dot in the top left and a window. Pick a capture method set to auto and select which monitor to record. Your monitor appears. Click OK to add desktop audio to the mixer. Done. If you want to add your mic for gameplay or video reaction recordings, just lower the desktop audio. OBS will automatically detect your microphone. It's a good idea to check the settings to see which mic it's picking up, whether you have a dedicated mic or you're using a headset mic. After adjusting, simply click Start Recording to capture your screen. I bet you want to show the world what you can do, so why not stream your content live? Even better, stream to multiple social networks. Don't wait. Check out our live social tool to reach a wider audience. With our tool, you can broadcast to Instagram, Facebook, and more. If you enjoyed this, scan the QR code on screen to explore our plans and learn more about our tool. As you can see, the screen is being captured. Simply click Start Recording. But first, I recommend checking where the recording will be saved. To do this, go to Settings, then Output, and finally, Recording. Here, under Recording Path, you'll see where your recording will be saved. Click Explore to be directed to the folder where your recording will be stored. That's it for today's tutorial. If you like this content, subscribe, like, and share with anyone who needs to learn about screen recording. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.